Hello, if you want to change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then first of all we need to go to the lock screen. Now press and hold your finger on an empty space. You will open the edit mode. Now you can tap on the clock in order to start customizing it. You will see different clocks that you can use. You can also enable the weather information. At the bottom you can choose one of the colors, or you can pick a gradient one. We also have the color picker as well, and we have different fonts to choose from. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's go back and let's stick with this one actually, and that's pretty much it. Now we can tap outside the field, and we can press down in the top right corner in order to apply these changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.